Okay, we got this unboxed and it looks as if everything is here that we need. This guy here is going to be for our CT125. It is allegedly not required for the monkey. And then one of the more important things that I'm glad we got is some English instructions. I'm not slick enough to do a JPEG roll into the video, so you can pause it if you need to take it in. Something I was hoping to see is subsection 4-5, and it's going to be a conversion to American, Fahrenheit, and miles per hour, so that's good. Some more CT specific instructions. The manufacturer does have videos on their website with regards to how to get the plastics off, with some background music, but no descriptions like this, so this is good. There's also 2 other pamphlets that have monkey stuff. And once again, they're pretty similar. The only mission I saw is going to be the clutch switch. We're just going to tape that up, bypass it, because unfortunately the CT does not have that. So, and then here's some native instructions, native language. So, more to come. So far looks to be good stuff.